4 signs. He's emotionally attracted to you, actually. So, you want to know if he's emotionally attracted to you, huh? In a world where everyone's swiping left and right, like it's a never-ending game of Tinder roulette, figuring out genuine emotional attraction can feel like trying to find a unicorn in a haystack. But don't worry, you're not alone in this quest to decode the male mind without needing a PhD in psychology. First off, let's bust a myth. Emotional attraction isn't just about butterflies and late-night texts that aren't just about memes. It's deeper, and honestly, a lot less confusing once you know what to look for. Most of the advice out there is so vague, you'd need a crystal ball to make sense of it. But if you're looking for specific signs that he's genuinely into you, stick around because we're diving into the top 4. Sign number 1. He remembers everything about you. If he's emotionally attracted to you, he'll remember things about you. He won't remember every detail. No one remembers that much about anyone. But he'll recall the important things like your birthday, your favorite ice cream flavor, or that passion of yours. It's these little touches that show he's paying attention and genuinely cares about the things that matter to you. Sign number 2. He accepts you exactly as you are. Does he accept you for who you are, or does he prefer what he thinks you could become? People can accept you even if they don't like everything about you, but they'll love you only if they like everything about you. You want someone who accepts all of you, rather than someone willing to live with the person they think you could be. Acceptance is a feeling that happens in the present. He accepts you and enjoys spending time with you right now. If he does so, it means he's emotionally attracted to you. It's not about trying to change you or mold you into something else. It's about embracing every quirky, wonderful part of you. Sign number 3. He listens. Really listens. Ever noticed how some guys nod along but their minds are clearly miles away, probably thinking about the next game or what's for dinner? If he's emotionally attracted, he's not just hearing your words. He's absorbing them. You tell him about your day, your dreams, your weird obsession with collecting vintage teacups, and he remembers the little details. He asks follow-up questions and shows genuine interest. It's like he's got his own internal memo system, ensuring he never forgets what makes you, well, you. Sign number 4. He never wants to leave you. You can tell a man has become emotionally attached to you when you're together, and it feels like he doesn't want to part ways. He might start a silly conversation or linger at the door just to spend a little more time with you. It's hard to deny that these actions are genuinely sweet. These small gestures indicate that being around you brings him joy and comfort, making him reluctant to end the time you spend together. Whether it's extending a date a bit longer or finding excuses to stay close, his reluctance to leave is a clear sign of his emotional investment in the relationship. Wrapping it up, spotting emotional attraction isn't rocket science. So, there you have it. 4 solid signs that he's emotionally attracted to you. It's not about decoding cryptic texts or interpreting mixed signals. It's about recognizing genuine behavior that shows he cares on a deeper level. Remember, emotional attraction is built on trust, support, and genuine interest in each other's lives. But here's the kicker. While these signs can guide you, every relationship is unique. Don't stress if everything doesn't align perfectly. The key is communication and mutual respect. So next time you're wondering if he's feeling the connection, look for these signs and trust your instincts. And hey, if you're still unsure, maybe just ask him. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. Now, if you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to fund more deep dives into the human heart. Because navigating relationships shouldn't feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, right? Until next time, keep those hearts open and those conversations flowing.